We're gonna check out this little firework whoop real quick. Mama and Jackie taking forever. Come on. Oh, hello. Wow.
This inside of the Black Cat where we bought the fireworks. Yeah, this is what we dropped for the 4th of July. That's too much spending. This is inside again. I love those Transformer figures. We're up in another location, y'all. We are out here. This is called the Black Cat. We're gonna try to do a little recording until they decide that they don't want us recording.
Demo sparklers. Don't nobody want no sparklers. What? Please. I see. This pirate? It's 40. It's. I don't know. Oh. What does it say? You see it at all? What's the price on it? It's 50, but I don't even see how many shots it has. 2 caskets.
I had to mute this part, guys. I didn't want to get copyright. They're playing music like super loud throughout the store. So there will be parts on the video that you will see that is muted. We got this right here. It was tremendous. It was worth the $70, $80 we spent for it. That was one of our grand finales right there.
Mama, look at this big dog.
Hey, this is talking about the casket.
78 shots, baby.
That's what we're looking for.
It's
This is what
80?
I'm looking for. Does it show?
Nope. Oh, it's heavy though. I was expecting you to grab it.
So
this is it? This is it?
If we get some free, get the.
That's the goddaughter. That's my BFF right there. Yeah, bud. All the damn luxury big ass food just for them. Look at them, y'all. Don't even trip. I'm finna get in this motherfucker with them in a little bit. In a little bit. Ford. Got a whole bucket of wings.
Oh, that shit's hot, son of a bitch.
I can't put my glove on.
They out here throwing down, y'all. This is the view.
This part, Mama was just saying how the dog is freezing. Those are my kicks, 4th of July. Yes, ma'am. Love them. This is one of our cooler. That's me and baby cooler, yeah. No promotion. This is our picnic table after the fact.
Baby, be careful. We out here, y'all, on the south side. That's my boy, right up there, Milo. Baby, all the way over there with the kids. What's up? This is he's now best friend.
Welcome to Lanky.
Yeah, this is the grand finale. We call this a rope, a belt, I guess. But this one right here went down for about 20, 30 minutes. But the video, you could tell that it's cut short. That one with the flashlight back there, that's my baby. Or my youngest. Y'all see how rude these people are? They don't give no care, y'all, about their gas tank or their safety while all these firecrackers was popping. But back to what's going on across the street. That's my stepdaughter back there. My goddaughter. My nephew and my boy, my 16-year-old boy with the flashlight. Yeah, we just kept staring at this. I mean, it just kept going and going. And y'all see that right there, Miss Sassy? Yeah, she was no joke. For $50, original price, in front of the unicorn chair. Original price for that, Miss Sassy, I think was $100 and some dollars. And that's baby, tired as hell. Look at her, y'all. Got her little wrist just hanging. And that's best friend over there with the yellow shirt doing the recording, all in my view. And the kids, we had to run them from over there. That's Godchild right there with her red, blue, and white. And I had to rest my feet, y'all, because I was tired right there in her unicorn chair. I'm sorry that goddaughter, not best friend, goddaughter, but godmother needed your chair. Yeah, see this study going, y'all. This strip went all the way down. This is the traditional stuff that we do every year. It's a must. That one right there, she was walking out the street, up the street, down the street, y'all. That's a whole total different story. If y'all want to know where that came from over there, that just stood in the middle of my recording, drop a comment down below and I'll let you know where that one dragged. There they go right there. Y'all see them cross over there. There she go. Her and her partner in crime. I see little nephew all the way over there. And best friend over there. Traffic stopped. They got smart. I guess they figured like we ain't going over that. They smart as hell, y'all. Yeah, I know we had to stop at baby's favorite restaurant. These are some of the things that we purchased, you guys, beside what the other side of the family purchased. No promos, just one of baby's favorite drinks. Thanks for watching.